The cat sat on the mat. Then took the van and pen in the van. I put my cat and map on my lap. That is sad and mad. The lamb likes to eat ham, jam, and yams. The flag and leg are in the bag. Mom gave me cash for taking out the trash. I was a soccer champ at camp. I put my hand on the sand. I put my sack in the sack. The little ant crawled on the plant. I fed the red hen and then went to bed. I have 10 pence in my desk. I took my pet to the vet. The little ant bird pecked at the wood deck. The girl yelled into the well. I lent some money to Tom to spend. The baby bird left in the nest.